Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to do simple and light makeup, so stay tuned.
First thing first is apply a serum before we start doing makeup. Next is moisturizer cream. Apply a little bit on your face. This is the basic step before makeup. Then a pore eraser. Apply it to your face. It is to make our face poreless. Apply it on your nose, chin, forehead, and cheeks. Okay, now we can start with eyebrows. Draw a line under your eyebrow from front to back. After that, you can draw a line on top of your eyebrows, but only from the middle to back. Then fill in your eyebrows only from middle to the end of it to make it look like a natural brows. Blend your eyebrows from front to back. Use an eyebrow brush. Use a concealer to fix your eyebrows. Just like before, conceal under your eyebrow first before you can continue. Conceal on top of your eyebrows. Then blend the concealer. Now for the foundation. Apply a foundation on your whole face, then blend it with Beauty Blender. Don't forget to wet your Beauty Blender first for easy blending. Dab the foundation on your face. Dip your whole face. Don't forget your chin too. After that, apply a compact powder on your face to make your foundation long last. Apply it on your whole face and chin. Then a mascara. Before we apply the mascara on lashes, make sure to curl your lashes first. Then apply a little bit of mascara. Next is blusher. Apply a little bit of blusher on your cheeks, nose, and chin using a brush. Just a little bit. For the lips, before applying a lipstick, make sure to wipe your lips with wet tissue. Okay, now you can apply the lipstick. For the final touch, spray a setting spray on your face to setting your makeup. Finally,
Okay guys,
you're done.
this is the final look for simple and light makeup. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Bye!